Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today I'll be doing you a bonus love read. Since I've just been taking out the 2022 readings, I haven't had time to do them for all zodiacs, so I'm just doing one per suit. So I did Aries and I'm going to do Libra now, and then I'll pick up one from the earth signs and the water signs. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life. Thank you. So Libra, let's start your reading. Let's see how you're feeling now, how your person is feeling, and what action we can expect in this connection. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you, okay? And newbies, I'm setting down 2 sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center, I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, mutual energies, etc. If this is your reading, you'll know which side you're on, right? Okay. Okay. So, action for person A, action for person B. Now, I don't know which side you're going to be on, Libra. If this is your reading, you'll know, right? Bottom of my deck, I have the 9 of Pentacles in reverse. This can have 2 meanings, Libra. Either one of you now doesn't want to be single anymore. Or the other way I can see it is, maybe there's been a lot of delay in both of you coming back together, and things could be, well, in troubled waters, should I say? Let me look at the cards. Okay, so I have one person lovely person, beautiful, kind, very successful, taking care of themselves, having enough to not only make themselves feel good, but enough to share with their friends and family and others as well. And I do see them having a lot of options now. I mean, who doesn't want a Queen of Pentacles, right? This is the ideal person that you want in your life. Now, not a masculine, feminine card. It's just that this character is somebody who is very nurturing, apart from being, of course, very abundant. So this person seems to have a lot of options now. They don't know what to choose. But the other person, Libra, from what I feel, they feel they are never going to be given a second chance, or they've been judged now by this Queen of Pentacles, or they have some bad karma which is affecting them now. They feel that all the mind games they played on maybe person A or otherwise, they've become the loser now. Somebody lost their own game, trying to make somebody else, dominate somebody else or hurt somebody else. In the long run, I think whoever this person is feeling, well, what was the point? Now I feel like I'm not even one of the cups here. I've been told no. Judgment in reverse is a flat no. Okay, so before I go on to the rest of the reading, Libra, I'm going to start with your dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the rest of the cards, okay? So, Libra and that person, spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Libra and their person. Okay, let me take a few more, Libra, from another deck. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Libra and their person. Okay. Good to go, Libra. The first card here says, at first I thought it was only sexual attraction, but it's so much more than that. I love you, mind, body, and soul. Maybe somebody took too long. Maybe that's what the delay is all about. Somebody just thought it was just a physical attraction, and now maybe they wasted too much time. By now, I think this Queen of Pentacles is in a very strong position and can choose whoever they want. Okay, second one says, I never loved them. It was just about the sex. I love you. No comments from me on this one, Libra. Okay. Missing you so much. We truly did have something special. They keep saying you're coming back, but you're not here yet. Are you coming back? Well, if it's person B waiting for person A to come back, I don't see them coming back. Maybe person B was thinking all this while that, sooner or later person A will make that effort to come back, but it hasn't happened yet. I think this is person A saying, it's best to part ways. We're not compatible like we used to be. And the last one here, Capricorn says, I want to make things right between us. So yes, my first instinct was correct. Somebody feels they've been judged because they were maybe after people for sex or whatever. They feel all this backfired because now they've fallen in love. And now, well, they want to make things right with this Queen of Pentacles. Just give me a second. 1 second. I'm just going to pause it for a second. My phone is buzzing. Okay, let it be. Okay, do it later. Let's concentrate on the reading at the moment. So before I start the reading, Libra, I'm going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for this read. Blessing, guidance, advice, not so many please, just one for my Libra gang. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Libra. You're a leader. So somebody is a leader here. I see on person A's side, well, they've taken charge of their own life and they're moving forward and not afraid to take risks. Maybe moving on to a fresh, brand new beginning. And this could be a message for person B to say, take the lead. If you just keep waiting around, sitting around for person A to come back, I don't see person A coming back. They're moving forward. They're taking a risk and jumping off that cliff to say, well, let's see what else is out there. Let's see what else is out there. I've got so many options now to choose from. Okay, let's put this here and now let's start the reading. Of course, I'm going to start with the energy of person A, Libra. You could be either side. I wouldn't know. For me, this is person A, this is person B, two energies. Pick your side. So, person A, Queen of Pentacles. With respect, I give you the mic. Would you like to say something to us? How do you feel? Queen of Pentacles. Okay. One more. Queen of Pentacles says, I was very disappointed by my partner. They never invested. In fact, this tower that's fallen between us now, I'm not even sure whether I want to rebuild because this was not a fair situation. Justice in reverse. Someone's very disappointed in this connection from what I'm seeing and they're not even trying to rebuild. So what's the point of rebuilding something which is never going to be balanced, never going to be equal, always left in a place of not knowing where it's going, always feeling confused. So what's the Seven of Cups for you now, Queen of Pentacles? Oh my God, this Queen of Pentacles is in huge demand. I must say, the Seven of Cups is clarified by the Seven of Cups. Well, there are 14 cups now to choose from, and this Queen of Pentacles is very clear-sighted now. They are moving forward, they're cutting through whatever's not working. Out of 14, yes, they can, slice off 13 and choose the best one. So that's where this Queen of Pentacles is at, because they have learned to value themselves. They're not going to wait around for any injustice or for anyone who's not going to invest in this connection. So this Queen of Pentacles is in huge demand, let me say that. So what happened in the recent past, Queen of Pentacles? Share your secret. What happened that you're in such a fantastic space, I would say? Well, the Queen of Pentacles says, I took a risk. I took a risk. Alone, with a small backpack on my back. I didn't care. I trusted the universe. I'm going to go for a brand new beginning and I know that my angels are going to catch me. And because of that, I think they're getting rewarded. Their ships are coming in. This card normally represents somebody who's already put in the work, because there are these little leaves growing on these wands. That means the fruitation has started already, and now the big stuff is coming. And I can see 3 ships coming towards this person. They're not chasing anymore. They're waiting for the best to come to them. Okay, so what's the Fool card, Queen of Pentacles? What did you do? Queen of Pentacles says, well, I was heartbroken for a little while. I was rather depressed as well. But you know what? I pulled myself out of that depression. I pulled myself out of that heartbreak, and I decided I've still got it. I can have a brand new beginning. A passionate brand new beginning. I mean, I have still so much to choose from. Didn't you see? I just showed you 7 of Cups, clarified by the 7 of Cups. I have so many offers in front of me. Why should I sit around, waste my life on a heartbreak? So, yes. So, 3 of Wands now. So, from the Ace of Wands, because they took that risk, they are being rewarded now with the 3 of Wands. What's the 3 of Wands now, Spirit, for this Queen of Pentacles? 3 of Wands. What are they waiting for? My God, they've taken, the universe is blessing them. I'll tell you why. Because they didn't stick around here looking at the past with regret and sorrow and unhappiness. And why didn't this happen? Why did they do this? Why didn't they do this? Because they took that, they became a leader. Yeah, this is for person A. They took the lead into saying, hey, I'm going to become strong and I'm going to trust the universe. And guess what the universe has done for this person? Victory. They are in complete victory at the moment. People are applauding them. People are chasing them. People are looking for their attention. They are being looked up as a, what is that thing? High value individual, right? So this person is being heavily rewarded for taking that chance of not putting up with BS. How do you feel about the connection now, person A? Justice. What's the Justice card? Okay. So person A, this is how they're feeling about the connection. They say, well, I felt if they are not going to do justice by me, there was a card here, right? Justice in reverse. So person A is saying, well, they didn't do the right thing, so I decided to do the right thing for myself. I'm holding back now from this connection. It's totally become stagnant. Well, at least from my end, I'm not making a move, and actually I don't see any movement coming from their side as well. So I've decided I'm going to do right by me instead of waiting for somebody else to do right by me. Okay, that's the reason I think this person is being heavily rewarded. They're not stuck anymore. They've come out of this stuck place of hanging around, waiting. Maybe the other person's going to do something. This person has taken charge of their own life. So, Hanged Man in reverse, Spirit. Queen of Wands. Now, this is one sexy, attractive queen, Libra. This is somebody who knows their worth. They turn heads wherever they go. Okay, so this person is not just financially stable, but is also gorgeous looking. They know their worth. They know they can choose from. Well, there's a buffet of offers in front of them. So what action person A will take, I'll open later. Libra, let's go on to the other side and see how person B is feeling. Person B, you seem to have the Judgment card in reverse. Why is that? Person B is acknowledging. They are saying, yes, I did not offer person A equal give and take. I did breadcrumb them. I never did right by them. And they judge me now, and I don't think they'll ever give me a second chance. Person B knows that person A has given up the fight completely. Person B says, I've tired them out. They are exhausted by my behavior. I know that, and I know I'm judged now for my bad behavior of the way I treated them. always breadcrumbing and giving to more than one, or not kind of having an equal balanced connection. What is a relationship? It's equal give and take, right? And person B says, yes, I didn't do that. And in playing all these mind games, I became the loser because I've lost my person now. So, Five of Swords in reverse. Why do you feel like that, person B? Why do you feel like that? Okay, one more. This is interesting. Will you do that? Okay, one more. Person B says, I want to return. I didn't believe them in the first two cards. That's why I took a third and a fourth, just to be sure. Person B says, well, I don't have any more ego. This is like have somebody very egoistic, very prideful. It's my way or the highway. But at the moment, person B is feeling, well, what do I do with that ego? It made me lose my person. You know what, Omkara Tarot, I want to apologize to them now. I really wish to talk to them again. Things have become so stagnant that I can't bear it now. All I want is to return. All I want is to talk to them. If they would only give me a chance and forgive me, I want to return. So what happened according to you, person B, in the recent past? Eight of Cups in reverse. What happened? Okay. So they're saying, well, I think it could have been person A who returned to them in the past, and person B says, well, I had them, and guess what I did? I left them out in the cold. I had a chance to make this right, but I didn't do it. I got them into third-party situations. I didn't work on this connection. I left them out in the cold. Why did you do that, person B? Why did you do such a thing? Why did you do that? One more. I think they were having a good time. They were having a good time at that point. They didn't want to change. They were stuck in their old ways. They thought quantity was quality, right? They really thought having lots of people to choose from or multiple relationships is what's going to work for them. In their mind, they thought maybe at a later stage I can go back and reunite with this person. I know my person is stuck on me. They love me. Whenever I want to go back, I can go back to them and have this started again. But guess what happened? The universe took over. Bad karma for making very unwise decisions. Things became totally stuck because I think person A could have said, I'm not going to wait around forever. They did say that here, if I remember. They got themselves out of the stuck place and saying, I'm not going to wait around here and, keep waiting and looking at the past, feeling, I don't want to waste any more time. Don't you see who I am? I'm the Queen of Pentacles. Anybody would want me. And I'm the Queen of Wands as well. I know I'm attractive. I can get anyone I want. So, they made a wrong decision here, thinking I'll do it later. Feeling they somewhere felt, I think, that person A was totally stuck on them, madly in love with them. They could go back to them whenever they wanted, maybe later. Right now they were having too much fun, I think, with their friends or friends with benefits or whatever they were doing. And that's how they lost it. The universe kind of took over here, I think. Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Okay, so how do you feel about the connection now, Libra? Or person B, sorry. How do you feel about the connection? Well, person B says, in one word, or one line, I should say, I'm in love. I am in love. All I want is for them to open up to me. I don't want them to hold back from me, because that is what person A was doing. Remember, person A has already decided, I'm not going to open up. I'm holding back. I'm getting unstuck. So person B is saying, hey, I do love them. If only they would open up to me and not hold back. So Ace of Cups, person B. Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups. Okay, but why is that? With the Ace of Cups, why would you behave like that? Okay, so person B is actually confessing here. They're saying, yes, I knew this was the person that I loved, or maybe if I didn't know it then, I know it now. But Omkara Tarot, this is what happened. I behaved so badly. I cheated. I became a magician in reverse. I blocked out this connection. I didn't want to see it. And this Queen of Pentacles was there on a platter given to me by the universe. And this is what I did to them. I disrespected them. I ignored them. I didn't want to see this connection. Why at that time? Well, I didn't want to be stuck, I didn't want the stress of a relationship. I didn't believe in love. I didn't believe there's anything called a soulmate or a twin flame or, relationships are made in the heavens. I didn't trust all that. So I had shut my eyes to this connection. I refused to let them in. So what happened now? What's this Four of Pentacles in reverse then? What do you want now? Okay. Alright, so person B is saying, now I know. Now I know. I am feeling devastated about what has happened in this connection. I know I did it. I know I betrayed them. And by betraying them, I'm feeling so down and out. Please tell them to open up to me. I promise I want to put work in this connection now. I just want to heal this connection. They just want to heal this connection. They don't want these blockages anymore. They've realized now that this was their true love. Okay. So now let's see the actions you guys are going to take, Libra. As I start with person A, I'm going to use another deck for this one. And while I'm doing that, if you guys could just hit that like button, it really helps the videos to circulate. And to be honest, it makes me feel very happy as well. So thank you for doing that. And newbies, don't forget to subscribe. And hit that notification bell so that YouTube can keep, reminding you or updating you on whenever new videos are released. Okay, so person A, what action will you take towards person B or otherwise? Eight of Swords in reverse. Person A says, who wants to stay stuck in a connection where I always feel alone? This thinking, this overthinking, stressing out, prison of my mind that this connection put me in. You know what? I've released all that. I've removed those blindfolds from my eyes. I've walked out of these swords. I'm not going to sit around in a stressful situation. So then what you going to do, person A? What you going to do? What's the action that you're taking? One more. Okay, so person A's action is, well, they say, even if they do come back, I've decided it's going to be maybe just a little bit of interaction, nothing more. I've learned to guard myself. They're right. I am in the Four of Pentacles energy. I am holding back big time. This connection has stagnated for so long. I waited enough time, too much delay. I don't have all my life to wait around for a person who's never going to make a decision. I'm listening to my own intuition, and guess what? I'm not going to talk to them. At least I'm not going to be the first one to talk to them. So person A is very intuitive. They're listening to their inner guidance, being a leader of their own life, holding back. That's exactly the same card I got here earlier for them. Four of Pentacles, holding back. And that's exactly the card person B said, hey, please don't hold back. Please don't hold back from me. But that's what person A is at the moment doing. They're keeping quiet. They're keeping themselves to themselves, not sharing too much information, keeping it low, maybe starting a brand new journey somewhere else, but holding back from person B. So person B, what about you? What action will you take? Oh, Really? Well, let me show you. Person B's action is, I am going to show them who the emperor is. In a good way. I mean, if the emperor was upside down, I'd say, okay, they want to still control person A and whatever. But when the emperor is in, the correct position, then this person wants to do the right thing. They want to show that this Queen of Pentacles that I am better now. I'm going to do the right thing. I want to take charge. I want to take control. I want to bring justice to this relationship. So let's see, Emperor, are you going to take any action? Or that's just how you feel? Where's the deck gone? Oops. Here. Okay, so Emperor, what action will you take? Giving you the mic. Say something to us. Emperor. Emperor has the mic. Come on, say something to us. What action will you take, Emperor? Emperor. Emperor's thinking. Okay, that's not so bad. Emperor says, well, if they are the Queen of Pentacles, I want to be their King of Pentacles. Okay. Yes, I know I've hurt them very badly. I've betrayed their trust, and that's the reason they walked away. They are my wish come true. I am hoping, wishing, praying that somehow this connection can get healed. But apart from this wishful thinking, will you take any action, Person B? Any message, any conversation, anything? Will you take any action? Two of Pentacles, okay. The Lovers. One more. One more. Come on, Emperor, say something. What action will you take towards Person A? They're thinking too much. Look at this. Thinking, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. What should I decide? They're so attracted to Person A, but they know they need to make that choice to say something. And I'm waiting here. Emperor, come on. What choice, what decision are you making about taking what action? This Emperor wants it all. Libra, this Emperor knows who Person A is to them. They want the Ten of Cups. I think this person is also in hermit mode, maybe trying. They are very stressed out. They are trying to. They don't know what to do. To be honest, they don't know what action to take. That's why they're going stressed out so much. What do I say? What do I say? My God, they think of all these things to say and go right back into hermit mode to think more, because they want to come with the right offer. They want this wish so badly, more than anything else that they've wanted, that they don't want to make a mistake in that message. They are aiming for everything. Emperor wants the Ten of Cups, and they know they have one shot. That's why they're delaying it so much, because all they want is their star. How do I get my star? What do I do? What do I do? God help me. My angels help me. Meditation help me. I'm so stressed out. I can't figure out what to do. So that's where they are. So their heart is in the right place. But, well, they have a little more work to do to be able to, That's all I have for you, Libra. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Okay, so they did say that, right? I want to make things right between us. So they do want it, but they're very stressed out about what to say. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.